again.
You expect me to believe you fighting this hard over something that ain't even happened yet? At a school that Dylan don't even go to yet? Ma, I don't think this has anything to do with Coach. This is about all the changes happening in your life.
Wait a minute.
Just hear me out. Hear me out. I finally left home for college. Dylan is older now, and he's doing his own thing with his friends more. Principal Carter is pursuing his political dreams, which is cutting into y'all's time together, right? Life's changing faster than maybe you're ready for. So you're trying to control any little thing, and unfortunately for Coach, it happens to be this. And I'm sure the fact that he's another man who's important in your life complicates it a little more.
I hear you, baby, but I think I would know if I'm having some crazy reaction because I'm becoming a empty nester.
Would you? Sometimes we don't know what's going on until we talk to somebody.
So what you're saying, I need to talk to Dr. Spears?
If he's the one that can help you process all this, then why not?